Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about an analysis tool of QGIS. Today we will discuss about the NDVI. So what is NDVI? NDVI stands for Normalized Difference Vegetation Index. And its use is it detects and quantifies the presence of live green vegetation using this reflected light in the visible infrared bands. So first we have to go to our layer option and add the raster layer here. I will browse in my system, and for calculation of NDVI we will require only band 4 and band 5 of our satellite image, and I have chosen the Landsat 8. So I will select this band 4 and band 5 and open it and add it in my project. Now for the calculation we have to go to our option raster. Here we have to choose the raster calculator. Now I have to write the formula here for NDVI. So the formula of NDVI is band 5 minus band 4, which is divided by band 5 plus band 4. Now I will give it a name and a location. For save, I will give it NDVI and save it. Here also I can give the output format. There are different kinds of format present, but for now I will use the GeoTIFF file. Also from here we can change the output CRS. Now I will select OK. Now my NDVI is calculated. I will change the symbology of my NDVI. For that we have to right click on it and go to the properties. From here I will choose the single band pseudo color. Here you can see I can choose the color ramp and also calculate or classify the classes of NDVI. Here I will choose the green color and then I will choose the classify. Here you can see that it is already classified in 5 classes. So I will reduce it into 3 for now and apply it and OK. So this is our final output of NDVI. Here we can analyze the vegetation cover over the area.